Hi, this is the Google Pixel tab and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google or Google Assistant option on this device. So first launch Google application, tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. Tap to voice section and click to voice mode. To activate Hey Google option, click on the switcher once. Tap to more. I agree, read all of the descriptions. Tap to I agree once again. Click to the next. And we could see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. And if you want Assistant to recognize your voice, you should tap to voice model, retain voice model, and repeat after the assistant like, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. So then just tap to next, and after that the assistant will recognize your voice, and when you'll say okay Google or hey Google, you'll see that this option is activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.